Hey, welcome back, guys. So today we're gonna show you guys on how to set this garage opener to program with this Range Rover Evoque. So make sure the
Do it again.
Make sure the ignition is off and just press on the ACC. Wait, press that one first. Number one, until it flash. Okay, there you go. Okay, press the control number 3. Hold it down. Until the light goes off. Okay, and then push it. What? Are you?
Oh!
Yeah? Oh!
Stop!
Oh!
Stop!
Oh, so after you program it, you gotta press what was it, the second try? The second time that you press it, and then the garage opens. Oh yeah, anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop in the comments below. Thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.